Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my demo class for teaching appreciation fellowship position. Today, I'm going to discuss about the how to design and analysis of a 10-story building and foundation. First of all, I divided this project into several contents. So contents are objectives, introduction, code, software, statement of the project, loads on the structure, structural configuration, design of superstructure, analysis and design of foundation. So first of all, objectives. The main objectives of this project is analysis and design of 10-story building and design of foundation by using safe software. Uh, Introduction part. This project is based on analysis and design of a 10-story building and foundation. Building analysis is done by EDEPS and foundation analysis is done by safe software. So now codes. What are the codes that I used and that we need to use for analysis and design of RCC structure? First of all, we need to use BNB 2000 software and then ACI 2014. And for lateral load, we need to use ASC 705 codes. Now, softwares. What are the softwares that we need to apply to these projects? First of all, EDAP 2017 version software that EDAP software is mainly used for the analysis and design of superstructures. For design of foundation, we have to use safe softwares. For detailing purpose, we need to use AutoCAD software. For calculating necessary calculation, we need to use Microsoft Office Excel software. So now statement of the projects. This project is residential building, number of stories, that is 10-story buildings, the nine basement plus 9-story building, that is RCC frame structure, brick wall and shear wall used in these structures. So that is the geometric project that is typical projects. Basement floor height is 3 meter, floor height 3 meter, height of plinth is 1.5 meter, from below foundation, length of pile is 15 meter, diameter of pile is 18 inch. So now material details. In this project, I considered concrete strength 3500 psi, steel grade is 60 ksi, type of steel bar is deformed bar, bearing capacity of soil is 2 ton per meter square. So now, what are the loads that we need to consider for design and analysis of RCC structure? First of all, dead load including partition wall, full finish, self weight, and then live load and wind load and earthquake load as per BNB 220. So now, building irregularities. Building irregularities is one of the important part for design and analysis of RCC structure. So there are two kinds of irregularities exist on RCC building. So building irregularities are number one, vertical irregularities. Vertical irregularities including stiffness irregularities, mass irregularities, vertical geometry irregularities, in plan discontinuities, discontinuation capacity, and plan irregularities including torsional irregularities, reentrant corners, diaphragm discontinuity, out of plane offsets, non-parallel system. So now allowable drift check. So allowable drift check is one of the important part for lateral load, mainly earthquake load. First of all, saw wave, P delta drift for earthquake load overturning are included in allowable drift check. So now design part. So first of all, these are the design combination as per the BNB 2020. So now first of all, beam design. So here the beam detailing that I done by Excel file. Here the maximum reinforcement area of floor beam that I collected from EDAP software. Here the section details of this beam. So now the column design part. Here the column design and detailing part. The reinforcement area that comes from EDAP's analysis. Here the detailing part. Here the section detail of beam. Sorry, the column. And now that is the transverse reinforcement calculation of column. The calculation is done by Excel software. So now the slab design part, the reinforcement area that comes from EDAP's software, and then we need to detail the slab for reinforcement. Here the bottom reinforcement area, here the final detailing of slab. So now foundation design part. So here the software guidelines at a glance that how we need to design the foundation. This foundation is pile foundation mainly. Here the soil test report analysis. So that is the pile cap layout plan. This foundation is designed for pile foundation. This pile cap layout is done through AutoCAD software. Here the pile cap detailing, so pile cap analysis and design that done through SAFE software. SAFE software mainly structural analysis and design software. So I used SAFE software for analysis and design of foundation. Here the 3D model of foundation, and right word is XY plan in foundation. So you have the punching shear and reaction shear check for foundation design. So all member is okay for punching shear and reaction shear check. So here the final pile cap detailing for this project. So here the top layer and bottom layer detailing of pile cap. So pile cap detailing is done by EDF AutoCAD software. So these are the summary that how we need to design a RCC structure. So thank you for watching my demo class. Assalamu alaikum.